Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel make a statement. Him say from here, call my name. A dancehall you call. So you have to know what to say about Vybz Kartel. Now, Intence make some statements recently in his career. Early stages of his career. And now the effects are reaching him. He has been dropped from his label, viewers and subscribers. And good music will always live on. And truth be told, he might put out music where the youth are gravitate to. But not good music. Now, it has been reported that dancehall artists Intence and Iwater have parted ways with manager Andrew Boise Campbell, the chief executive officer, the CEO of Boise Records. Being independent, Vybz Kartel has always stated that we are not on the same level, me and no other artists. Vybz Kartel owns his own record label, has given his daughter a record label, has helped his common law wife create her own record label as well, and has dropped records, albums on all of these respective record labels. Now, boys, they said we had a 5-year contract, but they breached it before the end of the 3 years. Within 3 years out of the 5-year plan, them feel like they make it and start for this, everybody. Now, people are saying that this all started after the Benz did crash. Now, for those who don't know, Intence talk like a theme Benz, but it was actually Boise's Benz. And maybe after that take place and talk make them make some disrespectful talk, and that's how the dad decides to watch you know. Uno can't stay yasso. Disciplined viewers and subscribers, them don't know the business aspect. Them feel like say because them have a song we are trend. Them feel like they make it. What about sales of that song? They wouldn't know this because them signed to a record label, so they don't know how much money the record label actually make from the music. All them know about are what the record label invest in them. So them probably feel like say because them get a Benz for drive, a place for live, they make it. No, that is not it. And the songs won't be trending now because the record label will not be investing that money to put their songs as ads all across the internet. Some are saying that Intence and Iwater career is now finished. It wouldn't be that surprising. Many artists after being dropped from their record label. Some artists get shelved, and the fact that him got associate himself with artists in a dancehall music who have been shelved. Movado, Alcafish, aka Blinds them. No, I the wrong allegiance that for sign yourself to. You know see what I'm to Jamil? You know see what I'm to Jamil? No, I don't know is even part of that mix. You notice them a try to create a faction. But how you create a faction with artists when now make no moves in the dancehall industry? Them not help nobody. The artists them around them have to find fame and stardom for themselves. As in the case with the 4th gen and governor them. Governor find stardom for himself. Who else from the camp find stardom? Nobody. You have to find it for yourself. Them not help nobody. Some say they don't have the capabilities to help out another artist neither. But I feel like that. I feel like them just now want do it. Intence career, I don't know. Being dropped from a record label after breaching a contract within 3 years of a 5-year contract. Which other record label gonna sign them now? Well, maybe them gonna try to do it independent. But if they don't have enough money to invest back in their own career, how them gonna do it independently when them now put out good music? When even in them own hometown community, them not have that strength there. And the small strength what them did have are because they were signed with the record label, the Jet Life name. Intence has dropped the Jet Life name for quite some time now. Him probably have it in their mind from the first year. But I can guarantee you this. Jet Life, no, Intence will be crying high water very soon. After you do yourself so, disrespect people in the dancehall industry, and then get dropped from your label, not a good look. Definitely not a good look. You have to know what you say about the teacher. The fact that the teacher said, and his statement was correct. People asked why the song wasn't trending, and him said, well, the current song that is trending now, they have implemented different methods to get their songs to trend. This is not organic. The fans are not showing support for these tracks and know why them are trend. They are being added as ads all over the internet. It's a marketing strategy. But when you have implemented a marketing strategy, you can't thereafter talk about the fruits of the marketing as if the fans are showing you that support, that appreciation, and they say there. You know what I mean? We want to find a shortcut to appearing to be a superstar. Put on the clothes, put on the jewelry, rent the vehicle, rent the house, song have couple views. Appearance is an image. It is an image. But at the same time, this is not authentically them. So when you take away different aspects, take away the record label where I make the song them trend, take away the vehicle, take away the house of them living in, they are left with what? Only a talent. So if you have no talent, where do you go from there? Well, I can't up. And we ever up. We don't know what is a down. So which direction is their career going now? You tell me. What are your thoughts? We're not happy to see a dancehall artist or a youth fail. But when you try to go against the camp, when you try to disrespect dancehall at its very core, just because statements being made, you found them offensive to your endeavors. Nobody never call your name. But you know, sir, you with that talk because you know what you do or what your label did. You should just leave it at that. You should have point out the fact that you are signed to a record label and all you do is record the music. Engineers mix and master, and boys decide when the track will get released. Breach of contract might be anything from working with other artists to working with other record labels to doing things outside of, the label or beside the label's back. Because we're not going to go behind and feed them direction that we not going to see it. But working with people who are not sanctioned by the label for you to work with can be a breach of contract. Statements where you make, moves where you make, songs where you feature, all of these can be considered as you breaching your contractual obligations to the record label. How dare you go against an independent superstar assigned to himself? I make statements about the best songs in the dancehall music right now. We hear a lot about Skilly Bang as a Skilly Bang I work with everybody. Now look what I'm to you. No, you'll be working with nobody indefinitely. No, today there's no feature with high water. And I got to talk about artists who work with other artists. So on there, we just want to get in a critical head. That's a reason for another time. Good artists though. We just want to try getting the youth them head. But see what go on? No, your endeavors will be stopped. Because people can realize say, I saw the game work. I know the right moves that for an artist then. Him should have never did say that. Him should have never did do that. That will be the end of the conversation. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts. Quick recap. Vybz Kartel, the independent superstar, has shown dancehall why being independent is still the best route in a dancehall music unless your own record label is signed to another record label through distribution deals. And teacher already a link with Zoe Jackson. You know what I mean? Just pointing that out. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding them to know. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there, you know. Drop a like on the blog for my life right here. Sure, icon is in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them, sister and them, brother them. For check out the reason, check out the channel, join the discussion, comment section open. You know the settings, and for those who don't, yeah man, now move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that we wanna live, love and prosper until reason again.